Hey everybody, this is Dan with the Crayon Brotherhood, and today we're going to see about putting some light in the bed of the Gladiator. Like I said in an earlier video, it was one of the biggest problems I had out there cooking, was it got dark and everything. So we're going to try to go with the Traveller brand 4-pack rock lights. They're small, they're LED, multiple colors. So we're going to try to install those in the rack itself, shining down on the cook area and so on and so forth. I don't know if they're going to be bright enough, but we're going to try, and then I'll go from there and see about angling them or pointing them in a direction that I need to point them in to get them to do what I need them to do, or go pick up some more. We'll see. They were about 60 bucks, not bad for a set, and everything seemed to be included that you need except for butt connectors to hook to your battery or auxiliary switches or however you want to do it yourself. But I'm going to start working on those, and I'll bring you back periodically as we progress. Alright, so I got one of them mounted so far. So what I'm doing, I'm using this aluminum angle, cutting it to length and drilling the holes and mounting it to that, and then I will mount it to these bolts right here. You can see right there. Like I said, I got one of them done right here. Where is it at? Where is it at? There it is. You can see it right there. And my only complaint so far with these lights is the wire. If you can see, it comes straight down. It needs to come out of the back, I believe. I mean, I think that would make it a lot easier for mounting. That way you could flat mount it to things, and it would just make it all the way around better. Now the controller for it, the controller does do that. It can go down or it can pivot and go out the back, which is handy with the mount. That worked out really well. And I also got it on there as well. It's right here under the lip of the bed. So far that's my only complaint, is with the wire coming out of the bottom. That's, other than that, everything's going smoothly, and I'm pretty happy with everything. The quality of them's, for 60 bucks, is quite nice. Or I say the quality, it feels like quality. It's aluminum, epoxy filled back. It's heavy. That was before I put the hardware on it too. It was heavy duty feeling, and just so far pretty happy with it. I don't know how bright they're gonna be. We'll have to see on that. I don't know. I got kicking the back ones kind of backwards at an angle, because that's where I'll be most of the time, is at the back. So that's something else I've done. But the front ones, I think I'm gonna have points straight down into the bed. But yeah, I'll bring you back after I get them all four mounted up and working, and we can see. And then I'll do a little film tonight when it's dark and we can see how much it lights up, and go from there. Hey guys, it's done got late. Had a football game to get to. Wasn't able to completely finish everything up on the Jeep. I was able to get the lights in. I just got to do some wiring and aesthetics, but and routing wires. But here we go. It's not too shabby. Oh, I left my key inside, but it seems to light everything up pretty good. It's not blinding, so that's good. And you can see I still gotta route wires and stuff. But let me get back here so you can see my mug. All in all, not disappointed in it. So after I get everything run, I might add some more to the video. I'm not sure. my idea is to use this box, like a junction box for everything, to kind of clean it up, because there's not a lot of place to put that many wires on this truck. So unless I ought to put it on the other side. Huh. Oh well, here's what it is. But yeah, I'll take care of all that tomorrow, and I'll get back with you. Y'all take care. Hey guys, I am back. I got the lights wired in correctly now, and I put a battery in the back and powered it as well. Or it's charging off the front. So what I did was I went to Harbor Freight and got these little boxes here. I think you can see that. Yeah, one of these little boxes here, and that's why I did all my wiring for the lights. I didn't want to tuck it up under here. You can't see there. There we go. I didn't want to tuck it up under here and have a bunch of wires just kind of wadded up there. I wasn't really sure where else to put them, so I put them in this box, bolted that box in there, so it's all sealed up and I can get to it. There's the battery up there. Got a 100 amp breaker on it. I don't know if you could hear me there. I got a 100 amp breaker on it, and losing focus here. My stick, shorten it up. I put in a starter relay right there, into the battery, and now I can engage it with my aux3 button. So when I kill the Jeep, I've got the aux3 set up to automatically cut off when I kill the Jeep. Yeah, I do have to remember to cut it on, but that's better than killing the batteries. So, on this starter solenoid, make sure it's continuous duty, or you'll just constantly be burning up solenoids. Or, sorry, relays. Starter relay. Make sure it's continuous duty, or you'll just be constantly burning them up. But so far, pretty happy with it. Just really kind of finished it up. But the lights and everything, hope that shows up on camera. Green, blue, white, off. And with the relay off, I can leave these on, or if I do forget to leave them on, it'll just be running off this battery. So pretty happy about that. I don't have to worry about killing the main battery, or if there is a parasitic draw somewhere, they're separated, and I'll have another battery to start the Jeep if there's another draw in the front. By cutting that aux on, I should be able to start the Jeep. Another thing is the wire I used right here is double aught, 2 aught, and it's 2 gauge, not double aught, sorry, apologize about that. For 4 gauge was going to be $75 for 20 feet, or it was $53 for a set of jumper cables with 2 gauge for 40 feet. So it's 20 feet, you know, positive, 20 feet negative. So I bought the jumper cables, cut the ends off of them, and ran the whole thing with it. So saved quite a bit of money and got a bunch of extra wire out of the deal. So going out this weekend, or this next week, Tuesday. I'm gonna put it to the test, check everything out. Like I said, I got that 100 amp breaker on there, so if there's any problems, I can trip it, separate it, or whatnot, or it'll trip itself to cut power. Coming to think about it, I should have probably put that further up. Maybe I'll put another one in up front. That way if there's a break in the line under the cab, the alternator's not feeding it and shorting out. I'll do that. These are the things you don't think about till after. So, but yeah, I'll put another breaker in just in case there's a short up under the cab somewhere. But that's it so far. I haven't put in the radio yet. I'll probably do that here in the morning or maybe later tonight. And I'm rearranging all my tools and my stuff in the box here too. Working on that. Sorting out a bunch of stuff I don't need. But so far so good on the lights. I'll probably put another light. Oh, I'll probably put 4 corner lights. One on each corner here, kind of pointing down. And add those to it eventually too. So I'll have surrounding. And since I already got power back here, it won't be no big deal. So y'all stay tuned for some more videos, and I will catch y'all next time.